If you own a Pulsar thermal or night vision device, you know it's going to do its job well year after year. But in the unlikely event that something goes wrong, well, you can rely on the Pulsar UK Service Commitment to sort it. We've made the process easy, and what's more, if we can't fix a fault covered by the Pulsar 3-year warranty within 10 days, we'll replace your device. Or if the damage is accidental or it's out of warranty, because every Pulsar device is designed to last and be repaired, we can usually mend it cost effectively. So if in 2035 your Pulsar Oryx is finally feeling the effects of a decade's hard use, we will be here to help. That's the UK Pulsar Service Commitment. Repair it within 10 days or a new replacement for warranty faults, and repair support for a minimum of 10 years. We've even made the process easy at pulsar-vision.co.uk, where you can also find lots of help along with the full terms and conditions. I'm David Thomas Jacks, and we represent Pulsar in the UK, and this is our service commitment to you. Thanks for watching.